Now we're gonna make this a really elegant but super simple fall decor wreath. So now what I'm gonna do is I've got this wreath that I wrapped with gold mesh, and I just used the leaves to wrap around it to hold it in place. And I've already put one flower in. I'm gonna put another flower in over here. I'm gonna put another floral pick up here. And we'll just put one more. And I'm gonna just use a Zot to hold it in place. So now I'm gonna take my wreath and put it aside. So now I'm gonna take my Bowdabra Bow Wire and I'm going to fold it in half. This is gonna be a pretty big bow, so I'm gonna take a little more wire. Fold it in half, lay it down into the Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. So now for the bow, let me just move all this out of the way here, and I'm gonna take this really pretty ribbon, and I'm just gonna scrunch that in, and I'm going to do the same thing here, and then I'm gonna take my blue ribbon, and I have dovetailed the ends, and to dovetail the ends, basically I'm folding my ribbon in half and just cutting from the corner down to the fold. So now I'm gonna take our champagne angel mesh ribbon and I'm just gonna put a bunch of this in here. So now I'm going to take my Bowdabra Urban Denim ribbon and I'm just going to fold it, twist it, and just in case you're new to the Bowdabra, it's really important that you have the wrong side of the ribbon on the inside of your loop. Now on this last piece, I'm gonna just scrunch this down so the right side of the ribbon is up. And I'm gonna take my wand and just give everything a kind of a big push here. Now I'm gonna take our Bowdabra, I think it's called Bronze Tuxedo. And I'm gonna just put this in here. And again, all I'm doing is folding. And I think that's enough, so I'm just gonna clip that there. And I'm gonna take my trusty wand again. Now I have these really beautiful picks that I'm gonna add. And top it off with my peony, which is just like the peony that I put in my original wreath that we made. So just go one more time here. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and the reason that I folded it in half is so I have my slip knot. Pull it through my slip knot really tight. This way, when I pull my bow out, it's super simple and I'm not struggling. I'm gonna separate the ends. Bring it around to the back of my bow. And now I'm just gonna shape it. And then I'm gonna take my absolutely gorgeous wreath that we started with and take my bow, put this on here and shape it, bring my flowers. And I'm gonna take some, you can either use a glue gun or adhesive dots. I'm just gonna use adhesive. And when I'm finished shaping it, you have this gorgeous, elegant wreath. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.